Hey.
Oh. What up? Da?
Yeah.
Oh, what up nke mara? Ka onye ọzọ. Ka kwa bi iyi akwa ndo fada, ka ma ga akwa ndo fada. Ka akwa ndo gịnị na-arụzi alụ nna m.
Onye ma mu before ụwa dị egwu kịta ife muzi ụwa dis. A professional doctor from America.
Even chọrọ. Even chọrọ mụ like ya.
If you kịta another way to survive.
Another way to survive.
Yeah.
I like him.
Ibe ifuru kịta m kwadoro ka esi wee racha pịọm taa. Ịma nwaanyị akara aka na-achọ m. Ya ọ ka esi wee racha pịọm kịta. Ya na ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ịracha pịọm, ihe emewu ihe ọbụla m kwuru. Ikpere bido kịta kpọọ m dọkịta.
Akwụmchem. Ife ọbụla i kwuru mma na-eme mma na-eso gị n'azụ mma bụ onye oti mkpụrụ ma n'ụtụtụ ma n'ife ma n'abalị. Gbam. Ọ bụrụ ife anyị ete n'afọ na ife nchọrọ achọ nụ.
Ya ibe m na-achọ ka ịghọta kịta ahụ na ebe ọbụla anyị na-eje oyibo ka nna asụkwa. Nsụọ nke ịghọta gị mechie ọnụ gị.
Nsogbu adịghị.
Nke m sọrọ ịghọta gị mechikwa ọnụ gị.
Nsogbu adịghị ife ma bụ ihe ọbụla i kwuru na eso ngị n'azụ anyị mesoro eso ngị eje.
Doctor si from America.
Anyị so ngị n'azụ nụ.
Why? You don't see anybody here, man. People around this area, if you have anything like sickness in your body, this is Dr. Owadi. He's from United States of America. Hey, Mr. Man, I say Owadis, not Owadi.
Okay, Owadis. United States of America.
People around this area, I am Dr. Owadi from United States of America. Hey, so if you have anything called sickness in your body, come now. The doctor gonna treat you free. Yes, I can see. So I am waiting. If you have anything called sickness in your body, go on. I have sent from the United States of America to cure every sickness. I am sent to heal anything called sickness. So wherever you are now, come out and see your healing. Right now, here, waiting for all of you. Thank you. That is what this is for you. You see where I come from. Hey, you know Princess Diana of old. I was the one that treated her before she gave up the oath. That is me. Baby. How are you? Thank you. You're looking good.
Thank you.
But I know you must have one of these problems. No, you can't say that. Even if you don't have problem, I can give you a medicine to make your hair grow taller. That is not what is for you. I was sent from America.
Bam!
You're looking good.
Thank you.
That doesn't mean you don't have any problem. You don't say that. You don't say that. We don't know what this is involved. There must be a problem. If you don't have a problem, I can give you a medicine for your hair to grow taller. Hey, that is not what this is for you. So let me see. Change some certain things in your Come on, stay here. Come on, stay here. Come on, stay here. Don't tell me you don't have a problem because Dr. Wadis is here to take care of your problem. Relax your mind.
Doctor,
don't talk. If you talk, your sickness will increase. Hey! Are you the one suffering all the sicknesses in this world?
Ask her,
my brother. Can you see what is written here? You cannot see because you don't have the eye like Dr. Wadis. You have a equilibrium imbalance. You have metamorphosis. Everything.
Bam.
Relax your mind. Dr. Wadis is here. Come on, what happened to your leg? Don't worry. Let me give you a test. Turn your back. Turn your back. Everything. Hey! This sickness, the level of sickness in your body will metamorphose my Relax your mind. Just within the next few minutes, this here will dry.
Okay, doctor.
Come on, smile. Smile. You don't have any problem, but now, do you have anyone sick in your house? Your mom is sick? Yes. Close your eyes. Visualize your mom that she is here now. Tell her that Dr. Wadis is here. Relax. All this way. Say that. See, there's something you're gonna do for me now. Because check your time. What is it by your time?
Oh yeah, after 2.
I normally take one of my drugs by this time. As Dr. Wadis, I don't take my drugs in an empty stomach. No, I can see them. I can see them. So I'm gonna eat some. Don't worry, Dr. Wadis is I can sit down. Yeah. No, enjoy yourself.
Popcorn kan kana
You don't have anything like a little bit. Hey, my good girl.
Hey, Doctor,
Doctor.
Don't do it for Dr. Wadis. Relax. It's one after the other. This is why you will be smiling. For me to Dr. Wadis.
No, you don't bother yourself, okay? Dr. Wadis is here for you. Everything causes
Don't worry, I will take you to America. You don't want to go to America?
I
don't know what is all this. Make sure that let them bring this car now. Eh?
Oh, okay. You so bad, can you come under? Yeah.
Okay.
Not a pure water, the choir.
Not what is? Don't worry, I understand. Well, let me call one of mine. Hello, manager. What have been keeping you? I've been waiting for you here. What? There's a problem at the office? What does she want? Okay, give her 30,000 naira for her afternoon food. What of the other nurse? Give her also 30,000. See, make sure that 2.5 million naira, you people don't touch it. In fact, if you can send it across to me now, yeah, send it. I will let me go and pick it from ATM.
Hey, you don't have problem.
I'm waiting for you. Don't waste my time. You know, Dr. Wadis don't have much time here. I'm gonna go back to the state, man. Just take care. I'm waiting. Yeah, bye. Don't worry. Wait, is there any ATM around here?
Come on here, junction.
Don't worry, I'll go to the junction. Okay, don't worry. Dr. Wadis will go to the junction. I want to see you smiling. Because Dr. Wadis is here. Smile. Your sickness is over.
Amen.
Dr. Wadis is here. If I'm not qualified, why did they send me all the way from the state?
Bam!
To make sure that everything for sickness is over. So be happy. See, the test, the result means that you will have to give you another test privately.
Private.
Yes, my dear. In order for me to check in and out, up and down, to make sure that everything about you is clean. Do you have any private here?
Okay, doctor, room shop.
That is wonderful. You must be a good girl. Don't worry. Everything about sickness in your body is over. When Dr. Wadi finishes with you, then we know that it's the doctor and the doctor. Hey, what is holding these people? Where can I ease myself here?
Okay, doctor, he been your turn to try. Go buy bago, then he buy any more here.
Hey, don't worry. Some of these things you are speaking, if not that I am somehow from this area, I will not be doctor if I hear all these things I don't understand. So you say I should go there and go here and meet myself. No problem. Yeah.
Doctor,
I'm coming back. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
People were sitting around. You said I should go here and eat myself.
yeah, just no, bago don't come.
Keep nothing for me. I'm coming.
Okay,
This is the time I got to watch. I'm gonna do my shit. I'm gonna do warm up.
Hey, doctor, bye. Na doctor nka. Ma kwa mo na bia chika ma osimu chere. Ke kan chekwe mi. Mana ke ka go doctor si agwo so fast to mi bi ozo meku kan chere ni ma obatan. Kan chere no doctor. Hey, this shoe want to be dirty. Want me don't know what? Yeah, look at my shoe. Hey. Hey. Is this your house? Yes, how may I help you?
Hey, my name is Dr. Wadis. Okay. From United States of America. Hey, yeah. Hey, don't mind that my shoe got spoiled. But yeah. Yeah, can I get a shoemaker to repair my shoe?
Shoemaker?
Yeah.
Hey, that book here.
Hey.
Oh, in that book now.
I'm talking about shoemaker. You are saying a boki. What is a boki?
Don't you want to repair your shoe again?
I want to repair my shoe.
And I'm talking about a boki. How old are you?
You are still talking about boki. Okay, never mind.
You're not serious.
Okay, no problem. See, as a doctor, like I told you, hey, let me run some check on you to see what is wrong with you.
What?
Don't bother yourself, it's just free.
Okay.
Everything Dr. Wadis do is free, so you don't bother yourself. So come closer. Let me see. Relax your mind, don't talk.
Doctor.
Hey,
What is it?
this thing have turned red. Have turned red.
Red?
Hey, my dear, you have a lot of sickness in your body. I don't want to cause if I call the name, you will cry, my dear.
Sickness.
This is not what I can do outside here. If I begin to call your head, we begin to fall down one by one. Turn your back, let me check you. Hey! What you are suffering is too much, please. You is too many. I don't even want to mention. I don't want to call them because if I call them, your heads will begin to fall one by one. You know, some doctors call them, they make mistake by calling them, but me, I don't want to. You just need a private place where I can run a private test on you to see what is wrong with you, my dear. Please, let's go somewhere. You need to have a private place.
Is your shoe like this?
Which one is your problem? Is it to heal you or my shoe?
Okay, me.
Eh?
Me now.
Eh? So why are you pointing on my shoe? Eh?
Hidden place. It's a private
Place to give you a private checkup. Anywhere, just for it's for your own good, though. It's for your own good.
aqua free.
It's very, very free. Everything Dr. Wadis do is free. Take care of my shoe.
This side.
Okay, this side. Take care of my shoe.